Hello to my dear students. Welcome back to English grammar classes. And once again here is Preeti Gupta, your English teacher from English faculty at Mount Literacy Z School Jhansi. Now today in this video we are going to discuss about chapter number 9, that is the past perfect tense. Now what do you understand? What is past perfect tense? The past perfect tense expresses completed actions, that is, the action that started in the past is finished or completed. Have a look on examples. Riya had gone to Agra means the work is done, completed. She had gone. She had slept means the work is done. The child has slept. Sachin had played a match. It means the work was completed. Now let us study about the structure, how to frame a sentence in past perfect tense. Now here you can see that we use helping verb had with all type of subjects, means whether the subject is singular or plural, we use only one helping verb is there, that is had, and verb third form. So to frame a sentence in past perfect tense, we use subject, helping verb had, and main verb, that is in verb third form. Have a look on this example. Here it is written, I had written a letter in English. Here what is I? I is the subject, the helping verb had, and the third form of write, that is written, a letter, object, and the rest part of the sentence. Now there is one more use of past perfect tense. Past perfect tense expresses an action completed before another past action. It means in past perfect tense, two actions are done in past, one after the another. For example, here you can see it is written, the patient had died before the doctor came. Now here you can see two actions are there. Firstly, the patient died, and another, the doctor came. Let us understand with this time marker. Here you can see in past two actions are done. The first completed activity and another completed activity. So the first completed activity is written in past perfect tense and the second part is written in simple past, that is past indefinite tense. Now here we have to always keep in mind what happened first. The first action should be written in past perfect. Now let us understand it with this example. Here it is written, the meeting had already started by the time I arrived. Now two actions are there. The meeting started and I arrived. So here on the timeline you can see at 8 o'clock the meeting started and at 8:15 I came. So here you can see that one action was completed and after that another action started and that was also completed. Let us understand with one more example. Here it is written, when we reached the school, the bell had already rung. Now again the two actions are going on. Now which action happened first? The bell rung. This action happened first. And then the second part, that we reached school. That is why it has been written, the bell had already rung when we reached the school. Now one more example. When we arrived, the movie had started. Now two actions are going on. Now which one is the first? The movie had already started. That is why it is written in past perfect tense and the second part, when we arrived, is written in simple past. Have a look on more examples. She had already cooked dinner before I reached home yesterday. Now again two actions. Now which one is being done first? The dinner was cooked and then I reached home yesterday. One more example. I cleaned the table after you had done your homework. Now which one is done first? The homework was done first and then the table was cleaned. One more example. We had already eaten before my father came. Now the work of eating was done before and then the father came. So we can write the sentence of past perfect tense either by using before or we can use after. Now if we are writing the sentence using before, so the first part will be written in past perfect, the second in past indefinite. If we are using after, the first part will be written in past indefinite and then the second part will be written in past perfect tense. Have a look on these examples. The train had started before I reached the station. Now if we are using after, I reached the station after the train had started. One more example of before and after. The patient had died before the doctor came. Now if we will write it using after, the sentence will be the doctor came after the patient had died. Hope now you will be able to write the sentences using the past perfect tense and also the use of before and after. So my dear students, keep on learning and keep on studying. Do watch the video twice or thrice till the concept is clear.